This is a 48-inch built-in refrigerator. Brand name is Thermador, and it's absolutely brand new, never been used. It's a custom panel with stainless steel panels on the side. Those are extra custom order, but this unit has the stainless steel panels, which is custom ordered for it. There's two of them. Just need to be installed. The kick plate, everything is in the back. It's all complete. Or you can use your own custom panels. Whatever you have, or your cabinet maker can easily make any kind of custom paneling for these refrigerators. It's a 48-inch wide for a 48-inch opening. Each one of those refrigerators, they could be installed separately in I believe 24-inch opening.